Okay, so I made this video. I figured it'd probably be easier to try to show you um, on a screen how this works instead of trying to explain it over the phone. Just it'd probably cause more confusion. So basically, what you're going to be doing is, I think probably what you've been doing, which has been okay. I mean, but it's going to get more confusing as more teachers start putting out more assignments. And kind of when I'm logged in here, you can see there's a lot of stuff here. So you're probably what you're doing is you're coming in here and clicking on stuff, and it does look a little bit overwhelming because there's a lot of stuff. But the way that will make it a lot easier is if you actually click on my class. So if you come over here, it's going to have Miss Sean's class and Mr. Moses' class, and maybe maybe Mackenzie's PE class or health class or something like that. So you'll just click on Mr. Stevenson Social Studies, and it's going to bring up this page. Let me set it up so it looks like what it's going to look like for her, because right now it's got all my stuff that's like unpublished for that kids can't see it. So when she gets in here, it's going to look like this. So when she actually clicks on my class, instead of just kind of going through and looking at those assignments, this is what the class is going to look like. Okay. And so what she'll need to do is click on the tab, and it's got the specific date. So like today's the 3rd, so she'll be working on this tab right here because this is Friday 4/3. She'll also be working on this on Monday. So you just click on this tab, and then under here there's directions. There's a couple of little videos that fill out that study guide that she's got, and then down below, if you follow the directions, it says there's a whole bunch of photos. You're going to choose one of those. It's like all new technology from the 1920s. So you choose one of the photos, and then you fill in this Google form. So you put your first name, last name, that kind of thing, and then just explain a little bit to me, okay? But basically each day, that's what she'll need to do. So come into my page specifically and then find today's date. And don't worry about any of the stuff that's ahead. Like I saw that she was trying to make a copy of that Washington, D.C. thing for next week. Don't worry about doing anything that's ahead of time. Just come in here to my specific page and do the work for that specific day. There's no point in trying to work ahead. I know that there's a lot of work and things like that. And in that same vein, I mean, I'm fine with you making a judgment call if you think that something's too long, or she's stressing too much, or if it's too hard for her, or I'm asking too much. Then I mean, I am totally fine with you saying that this is enough for Mackenzie and turning in what she's got. And I'm perfectly flexible to allow her to do a little bit less work. And it's we're all doing the best that we can here in the situation that we've been given. So just do the best you can. And if you have any more questions, if this does not answer the questions that you've got, then I guess we can talk on the phone. But I don't know that talking on the phone versus being able to see it on a screen is gonna help a whole lot. I mean, I'm more than happy to. But just let me know if this helps. All right.